everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about two of the best fragrances right now for male and for female. So I have partnered with Scentstore for this video today, and I'm going to be talking about two perfumes from YSL. Like, these are new perfumes which are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So I'm going to start off with the female fragrance, of course. So it's this one right here from YSL. It's the gorgeous brand new Libre scent. So this is the Eau de Parfume. This is a sexy floral perfume with a strong contemporary independent female feel. The notes inside are orange blossom from Morocco. There's also lavender in it from France, and other notes are mandarin oil, blackcurrant accord, and also Madagascar vanilla. Yeah, it is an absolute gorgeous scent. The smell of it is very strong. It's very kind of like a fierce and powerful sexy scent. I think it's perfect for day or night because of the strong fiery scent in it. When I smell this, I think of like a independent businesswoman. That's what I smell from this. There's a real strong woman. So yeah, I would say the perfume is great for mid-20s to about mid-40s or late 40s, I would say. Yeah, I think it's a great scent for those ages. And also I think it's a great scent for all year round, like winter and summer. It's just a really lovely kind of strong, sexy, lingering scent. You know, I don't feel like it's either for winter or for summer. I feel like it can be worn all year round. Yeah, it's a scent that makes me think of a strong, independent businesswoman, someone who knows what she's doing and has that edge to it as well, you know, that kind of sexiness. Yeah, so I think it's an absolutely gorgeous scent. The packaging is absolutely stunning for it. It is one of my favourite packagings from YSL. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. YSL is actually one of my favourite fragrance brands. I love them so much. I feel like they have the most long lasting and unique scents. Yeah, one of my favourites from YSL is the Mon Paris one. I've been using that for many years, but this one is becoming one of my absolute favourites right now. I'm just obsessed with it. I've been wearing it for the past few weeks, and I just love the kind of long lasting lingering scent from it. You know, I smell it on my clothes for days, which is amazing. That's what I really love about YSL. Their scents are very, very long lasting, and they're very, very strong scents. So I think this is a perfect fragrance for a gift for yourself or a gift for someone, whether it's for a birthday. Also I think it's a great scent for the wedding season coming up as well. Yeah, it's a gorgeous kind of sexy scent. It's the most gorgeous bottle I've seen from YSL. There's a wrap round logo right here, has a little cutout to it there just to give that little edge to it, and yeah, absolutely stunning. The detailing around the neck is really pretty as well. So it's available in 30, 50 and 90 ml bottles from Scentstore, and yeah, it's an absolute gorgeous scent. I've just been wearing this all the time, so I'm going to spritz some more because I just love it. I love it so much. This is the 90 ml bottle for size reference, and I highly recommend this perfume to you guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so the next one is the masculine scent, and it is the YSL Y for Men. So this is the bottle right here, and it has a similar detailing to it as the Libre one with the wrap round Y, if you can see that there. Obviously the Libre one is a little bit more fancier with the with the kind of logo. The logo is more kind of like an embellishment. It also has a little nick out here as well to add a little bit edge to it, just like the Libre one does. The lid for it has the YSL logo on it as well. So when I smell this, I think of a young modern man, a very strong, powerful, very passionate, very driven man. Yeah, there is a lot of notes in this, which I'm going to get up for you right now because yeah, there is a lot in here and I want to get them right for you. So the fresh notes inside are bergamot and aldehydes and ginger. There is also aromatic floral scents in it as well, of violet leaf and geranium and ginger, and the base notes are intense musk and ambergris accord. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. Yeah, there's a lot of scents in it there, but when I smell it, I think of a strong, powerful, younger man. Not really young, just mean someone who's maybe mid-20s to, I would say, mid-40s when I smell this. Yeah, it's a really nice scent, like a very nice masculine scent. It's a very fresh scent as well. Yeah, I like this scent for a man. I would like to smell this off a man. Yeah, so that is why for men, and this is the Eau de Toilette one, like I said, and it's 100 ml for reference. It's also available in a Eau de Parfume, which you can get in 60s and 100 ml from Scentstore, and that's a bit more of a stronger, more kind of sensual, kind of darker scent, and it has like the additional notes of tonka bean in it as well, so it's a little bit different, you know, with that other scent in it. But this one, anyway, this Eau de Toilette one is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's really nice, make the perfect gift for any man really. Oh, and Scentstore also have this scent in a deodorant stick, and they also have it in a shower gel as well. So yeah, that's the two fragrances that I wanted to share with you, and absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous scents. Like the Libre one is just stunning. I'm obsessed with it right now. If you guys haven't smelled it already, then you will love it. Like, trust me, it is gorgeous. And this one is just amazing as well for a man. Just very fresh and masculine scent. I will leave links to both the fragrances on Scentstore's website down below in the description box for you. And thank you so much to Scentstore for partnering and sponsoring today's video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video as well, guys, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.